Alright you guys, so the first thing I did was condition my hair. This is a cleansing conditioner. It's amazing. I love the fact that I don't have to buy a shampoo for a long time now because it just worked so well. So what I did was basically just apply that to the shaft of my hair and rinse it off with warm water. Now what I'm doing is just detangling my hair. It's super soft because I had just previously conditioned. This is the deep conditioner that I'm going to be applying. I've repurchased this product because the first time that I purchased it, it just performed so amazing, and I feel like it really did give my hair a lot of strength and a lot of elasticity. So I got it again at Target, and yeah, what I like to do is just start at the end and work my way to the root. Everyone says you should do this because our ends are like the oldest part of our hair, so you want to make sure you moisturize that first and then, you know, work your way up, whatnot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this oil and put it on my hair just to seal all the moisture from the deep condition. Y'all, it literally took me 10 minutes to open this bottle. I don't know why the hell it was so hard, but it was. I love the fact that it has a little nozzle because it makes things like that so much easier. And I feel like it would work well also if you have like box braids or whatever. Super easy, and it's a really nice oil. It has a really nice smell to it. Alright guys, so this part is optional, but I always took this extra step when I was transitioning just because I felt like I needed to. I went ahead and I bought this like huge portable like hair dryer situation. I've had this ever since I started conditioning. It literally even has a hole in it. It's like super broken. It barely even works. I honestly have to repurchase another one, but it's amazing just for the purpose of adding heat to your hair to make sure you really activate that deep condition. And this is how my hair looks like right after I rinsed off the deep conditioner. I like to use a combination of this Cantu curling cream with jojoba oil as like a leave-in conditioner. I know people roast Cantu, but this actually works very well, and it has an amazing smell. This is also a new product that I got from Target, and it's honestly amazing. I feel like it's honestly like perfume for your hair. It smells incredible and I loved it. I don't even know if it works, to be honest, but it's just one of those things that you're just like, regardless of what it is, I'm gonna buy it again. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of hours since I last filmed, and I just wanted to quickly get on camera and show you guys my hair. Honestly, like, It looks so defined and so moisturized. I honestly fell in love with how, you know, these products performed on my hair. And honestly, I am not the type to wear my hair out natural, not because I don't like my natural hair, but because I'm always just trying to change my look. So I'm always jumping between braids, my natural hair, wigs, whatever the case may be, but I never wear my natural hair like on a constant basis. And seeing these results is honestly just, it's like very tempting to just have my hair like this all day, because it just looks so pretty and so like moisturized or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful for any of you guys out there that are starting to transition, or that just kind of want to use new products for your curly hair regimen or whatever. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.